it is our dream that this humble birth will start a virtuous cycle, a never-ending story of positivity and collaboration.
So, dahil kasama namin kayo ngayong gabing ito, alam namin na yung aming launch ng Philippine entity ay magiging successful at pag nag-roll out na kami ng full roll out, magiging magiging siyang siguro sabihin na natin with your support, kaya nating tapatan din yung mga malalaki. Kasi meron tayong something na para sa well-being talaga ng users.
Baby steps. Baby steps tayo, but then once na na-achieve na natin yung goal natin, it will be a very beautiful journey. So I hope and pray na sa pag-launch natin dito sa Philippine branch natin, sabay-sabay tayong makamit or makuha natin yung goal natin of having a change sa lahat at matouch natin yung puso ng bawat tao. And yun naman talaga ang vision and mission ng Health Years.
The achievement that where we are today is amazing, and you can't say too much for the way we are now. I mean, we are on a platform that, and we're striving right now. Recognition, the whole thing. The ideas, it's just like you can have 10 ideas, but it only takes one to execute, and I believe in that.
Yung merong app na magpro-promote ng trust and goodwill. Di po ba? Pag yung manager, alam niya may tiwala, yung mga tao, alam niya may tiwala sa kanila, yung manager nila. Imagine the possibilities. Pero ang isang healthy na team, yung mga managers, may tiwala doon sa mga tao niya. So, ito po ang isa sa solution na naisip namin with the help po ng mga OJT sa La Verdad na napakagaling po. Salamat po sa inyo.